Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video, and in this tutorial we're gonna make transparent text effect using Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. First of all, duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Now we have to separate the subject from the image. So for that you're gonna go and select Object Selection tool and click on Select Subject. Now Photoshop will automatically select your subject. Now you have to add a layer mask. Now just simply click on this icon to add a layer mask. Now pick horizontal type tool and type anything. Now press Ctrl+G and adjust the text just according to the image. Now once you have done, then we have to duplicate the text layer also. So just press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer. Now select the duplicated text layer, right click on it and click on Convert to Shape. After that, pick Rectangle tool, select the mode to shape and color to white and stroke to none. Now increase the stroke a little bit just according to the image. And in the last, you have to move the original text layer below the mask layer, and here you go. So this is basically how you can create a transparent text effect in Photoshop. So all for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching.